Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create a call to action button in Canva. All right, let's begin. First, open Canva and search for website. You will be redirected to a page with various templates. Some are free, while others require a premium subscription. Select a template and click Customize. Next, add your button by clicking on Elements, then selecting Shapes. Choose a shape to use as your button, resize it, and add text such as "click here." Adjust the font size and style as needed. After adding the button, select the text and select the link icon. Next, enter the destination URL. If you want to redirect users to a product or another page, paste the link in the appropriate field. Finally, click Done and save the changes. Once the button is set, click Publish Website. Canva will generate a URL for your site. Click Publish Website again and wait for the page to load. So that's basically how you can create a call to action button in Canva. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.